Modi winning.
Some people are scared that it might turn it dictatorship and it'll become a one-man thing. But maybe it's a good thing. Maybe we need a strict ruling or a disciplined leader who's going to be very harsh.
One thing which I found about the campaign this time, BJP especially, was they planned it well in advance and they started off in September. They were focused on what they want to do, and the best part was that the other members of the party did not interfere in anything.
Yeah, they supported each other.
Wanted, that Modi should be there, let him lead the party.
And by the time the elections came, people knew that अच्छे दिन आने वाले मतलब मोदी आने वाला है.
Yeah, and so the slogan they have, whatever they have, is about Modi Sarkar. Of course, it's been manipulated and changed and made a mockery of. But maybe that's a good.
That's a marketing technique.
Yeah, that's a marketing technique because young people who are reading these images, the posts on Facebook or wherever, they make fun of it and they get aware that it's about Modi. So somewhere it's always on our mind, Modi Sarkar.
And now it's like I was talking to a friend of mine. She said that इतना बोल रहा है तो कुछ तो करेगा. So it's like that now. People have for the last 2 terms Congress has been here, but now they need a change. And since it's been so sensationalized, they want something new, something.
This is going to go down in history.
Really. I think, but to be honestly speaking, I have never seen such a campaign being taken place anywhere in the world. I think Indian politics is actually very
popular.
Apparently he spent 400 crores for the campaign.
And in Congress, Rahul Gandhi is making so many mistakes in his speeches also. That is not very good.
And it's actually very funny that he was the Prime Minister candidate from Congress, but he could not take the campaigns because Sonia Gandhi had to come in the picture, and his sister Priyanka.
But that's not decided yet that Rahul is going to be the Prime Minister.
But it is understood. People are
that's what maybe they have a strategy that at the end maybe Priyanka Gandhi takes over.
That's what would be. Yeah, that's what they did with Manmohan Singh also. I don't think anybody,
because that was like nobody expected that she will not take over.
Exactly.
Here we know, most probably Rahul Gandhi will come.
Yeah.
And it is he who's campaigning, and looking up to him, people are deciding their votes, whether to give it to Congress or not.
Whatever speeches or rallies I have seen on television, he's mostly talking about Modi or his ways. Not about what the mistakes they have made or what corrections they're going to make or what plans they have. I'm sure he did mention that, but that's not